Well, we got a lot of snow, obviously, so today we're going to make ice cream with our snow. So,
Snow ice cream. We need 8 cups. One more scoop. Do 10 cups.
I can't even fit it in there.
We have 10 cups of snow.
10 cups of snow. Okay, and then we do a half a can of condensed milk. So cut it. Okay, and then you mix it. A teaspoon of vanilla, we're just gonna pop some in there. Whoop. And this is Granny's homemade vanilla.
What do you think? Is it ready?
Nope.
Not quite?
Nope. Okay, it's ready. Vanilla ice cream.
I want to try it. Cold, right?
It's cold, but it tastes just like vanilla ice cream, like it's supposed to.
It does.
It's good.
It tastes good.
There's snow ice cream.
Yeah, make it any flavor you want.
Yeah, yum.